Hello students, today let us do the construction, that is the construction of incircle of a triangle. So first of all, let us have a look of a diagram of incircle of a triangle. So in this diagram we have triangle RPQ and there is one circle inside the triangle which touches all the three sides of a triangle. So this is the circle which touches all the three sides of a triangle. That's why the circle is called as incircle. So as the word suggests, incircle, as this circle is inside the triangle, that's why it is named as incircle of a triangle. Now we have to construct the incircle of a triangle by using a GeoGebra. That's why let us move to GeoGebra interface. This is the GeoGebra interface. We have to construct incircle of a triangle. That's why first of all we should have one triangle. So we have a polygon icon, click on that. Under it we have a sub icon polygon, click on that. Then we have to construct a triangle. That's why click anywhere on this interface to get point A, then point B, and then point C, and again end it with the starting point, that is A. So this is the triangle ABC we get. Now we have to draw incircle of this triangle. So to construct incircle of a triangle, we must draw angle bisectors of any two angles of the triangle given. So here for triangle ABC, we have angle A, angle B and angle C. We can draw angle bisectors of any two angles of this triangle. So let us construct angle bisector of angle B and angle C. Firstly, let us consider angle B. We have to draw angle bisector of angle B. That's why we have here one option, angle bisector. Click on that. We have to draw angle bisector of angle B, that is angle CBA. So we'll click on point C, then we'll click on point B, then we'll click on point. So this is the line we get, which is the angle bisector of angle ABC. In the same way, we can draw angle bisector of angle BCA. So for that, click on point B, then on point C, and then on point A to get this line, which is an angle bisector of angle ACB. So we have got here two angle bisectors of two base angles of this triangle ABC, which intersect each other at one point. We'll name this point. So let us have the name of this point as point D. So point D is the point of intersection of two angle bisectors of two angles of triangle ABC. Now we have to draw the incircle of this triangle ABC. Is we have to draw a circle which touches all the three sides of this triangle. So that's why we have to take point D as a center and we have to draw a circle which touches the sides of a triangle. For that we have here one icon, circle with center through point. Click on that. Then we have to take D as a center. That's why I click on point D and move the cursor so as to the circle will be extended, and we have to extend this circle so that it touches all the three sides. So as we can drag this, cursor, you can see that now it touches all the three sides. Now if we click here, we get this circle which touches all the three sides AB, BC and AC. So this is the incircle of triangle ABC. So this is how we can construct incircle of a triangle by using GeoGebra interface. I hope you understand this concept. Thanks for watching.